In the early hours of the morning, silence was broken over the line of control. Indian jets violated Pakistani airspace, launching an unprovoked attack. But they forgot one thing. This is not the Pakistan of 1971. This is the Pakistan of 2025. Ready, alert, and stronger than ever before. Indian Mirage and Sukhoi jets crossed into Azad Kashmir airspace. Their mission was to strike military posts and radar installations near Muzaffarabad. But before they could even reach their targets, the Pakistan Air Force had already locked onto them. Within 6 minutes, 4 JF-17 Thunder jets were in the air, slicing through the night sky like lightning. Pakistani pilots, trained to the highest standard, knew what they had to do. There was no fear, only duty. As Indian jets dropped their first payloads into empty mountains, thinking they had won a media war, they didn't realize Pakistan had let them come just far enough to never return. Within seconds, the first Indian Mirage exploded mid-air. The second tried to flee, but Pakistan's skies were already sealed shut. 2 more missiles were fired. Back in New Delhi, the Indian military command was silent. Their plan had failed, and failed fast. They had lost aircraft, but worse, they had awakened the full might of Pakistan. By 4 a.m., Operation Strike of Iron had been launched. Within the next 30 minutes, Pakistani Thunders launched coordinated strikes on 4 key Indian air bases. Indian MiGs couldn't even take off. Hangars were destroyed, control towers collapsed, runways were left in flames. Their target, Indian ammunition depots and forward command posts. Explosions rocked Indian bases along the border as depots turned to fireballs. In New Delhi, chaos had taken over. Media houses that were celebrating victory just an hour ago were now showing burning runways and falling aircraft. Modi's government tried to hide the truth. International media began reporting Pakistan's fast and overwhelming response. By 6 a.m., Pakistan had complete air superiority. Not a single Indian jet was flying. In contrast, Pakistan's JF-17s patrolled the skies like hawks. Not just air bases, even Indian warships in the Arabian Sea began retreating. Pakistan Navy submarines had already surrounded them. India was cornered, in air and at sea. The world took notice. International news outlets confirmed Indian jets had been shot down, their bases destroyed, and their plans failed. This is one of the fastest and most precise responses in recent military history. Pakistan has not just defended, it has dominated. From the moment the first Indian jet entered Pakistani airspace to the moment Pakistan took full control, only 4 hours had passed. In just 240 minutes, dozens of military posts were reduced to rubble. Pakistan had 0 losses and showed the world what a true, disciplined, and powerful nation looks like. To those who test Pakistan's patience, know this: we are peaceful, but not weak. We desire calm, but we are prepared for war.